Kashnong Raibah kadai ka nongren agi benta ba shathi jong kariwa sharu mausen ram henry ka don pat yakat khana kaba ai men simat kersiu jingmun bakumno tang no uwei ubriu kashnong ka kiwen da ka men sim treilang ban pen bha bat pen tamai pat yak skul kabla ring swai kani kala ja haus nam arja hwe hakapor pa babu pat skam thapa ula hap ban let hikai no hakaskol Raibah government lower primary school Mariapoi hakani ka jaka ula lamp ka jaka kam iya hap shu ban ong baka dei ka jaka pulie tang kata la lapa wat ki kan ro ki la or pat yun ki jingkhang yet la ka jong ka tenum yeng ka la peilot na ka daw ka jingjur slap ha ka than bat ki kamra class kilas dang mi tet hadin bala khang kum tu ya ka school na ka daw ka klam covid kum ba ars na mi kani ka school kampadan satya ki nong tre bapura pat kumta kidang don tangkat tu kani ki khna school ki basuan mi kum tu ka shimpor ya ka shnong Baroh ka we man shnane maramat biang ya kani ka school henry hakum kani ka por don kam ya uwei ubriu pan mat phang ni prat lenti ong ba pen shai lang doling badai urang ba shnong jang ka Raibah hakum kani ka camp babu bat scam haka jaka pa unpan jaka ban let hikai no shawai henry ko mubriu madang samla kamen bat ka jing majing perkhat ula rai ban ne bas dang perkhat komno ban le ban pen kala dor pat ya kani ka school na do ten rai kumta kendiat pa kendiat ula dang ban pen khoi ringkat ka jing rap lang ki khena das dang shwa ban thung sentio bat pen itenat ya ki sautong saukun uni unoi kai ubla judan bentaro hagi program ban kentiu ya kapuli puthi hagi nonggendong kum usamla NSS bat treiru kum utor guide keleng kami Meghalaya ule thu bausakhi baka dan ka jinge pher ka ba bon bha preng kapuli puthi hagi nonggendong ka jing pos niu jong ubabu thaba kalong ban pen kala ya ka Raibah kum ka school bakham karpang ni ka green school ka banya ringkat bat kapuli puthi uniu noi kai daladiu pen ya ka nuksa kata pansar ban rap ban liak khoi ya ka saudong saukun bat kiwe kabala penlong ya ki nongsong shnong ban sngoutanan ya kani ka jingkala ka ba ki yo lingba kani ka rukom ki khana school ru kilas dang ban pertholang da ka ba shim ya ka jingit clear nadu ban pen khoi ya ki saudong saukun jong ka school bat kani kala por wat ya ki bahaye ngasam ki bala wan ban snok ti lang henry ka jingkhang lat ka ba kraw tam ka ba khmat kata ka ka ying school ka bala jat kumbala long hi ka ni ka ying school ka bu jingma na mar tang shupoi ka yom slam ka la ban bu jingma ka lai ki khana school habayo bala don kam karki ban le no bat bahap pan maramat karki ubabu thaba ula pentep ya kani bat iparlok ba jan jong u ibari hon majau iwe ne ki rat pa ibala panlum jingeram ne ki pai pa hakapor badan ka klam covid kumta ringkat bat iwe pat inoi kai ka kong iba majau kala lek ban jingo hidala de sharai pa ban pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka jinglek kala penlong ya ka ban tho shapang ka jing jong ka school bat ban stang ya ka jing ya lap ha ka rinsan milaps ka jubab bagiyo na ki pai pa kala long ka bastet bat kumta tanga po shitayo lala ban kot ya ka thong kumbala mang ka jing penlut na benta kani ka school hagani ka kinti ka nong tere kam na jong na katika than ka kong dasu marlin majawru kalami shakma na benta ban pha tap thamai ya katunum jong ani ka school kumta da ka jingkershan ka ba bor ba na kinong yarap na shilong bat ka borman bat ka jingitre lang na ki try shnong kani ka school kala kupat ya ka dur ka ba thamai bat ka dur jong ka ying school ka ba dan jingkerman na benta kala wei jong ki khun ki ti jong kani ka shnong ka ba kham itanan bat sho man sim ka long banyo iru ba ki nong shong shnong kila wan ra ya ki tiar kila shna ya ki jingker de ki dien bat kila pen kho ya ka jaka ki kemi kila penkhut ya ki kamera kelas, ki kapa, kila maramat ya ki jingkian, but what ki nong song shnong, ki bam dan khun, bawan skul ru, kila mi lang pan shimpenta. Ka jingjop jong ka jingya khun, ka day ruling pa, ka shlam hikai jong uhi, ka St. Edmunds College, day ling ba ka social work department jong ka college, ki samla puli, kila pulepor, ha Raibah ling ba ka project, bagi khot, deals, tangibles, active learning and engagement scaffolds, ka senjam ban wanra, yaki buat bathamai, haki kamera kelas, badan haki nong kendong. Kumta, dakaba, pengam yaladi, haka jing im nong kendong, u babu thaba, ulala ru pan yo, yaka jing shanya kabapura, naki nong shong shnong ka Raibah. Haus nam arjap sang, u babu thaba, bat ka kinhun jong u, kila yo yaka jing kershan, jong ka Green Hub X Royal Enfield Conservation Grant ban seng ya ka Raibah Living Library ka jakai jingtep balay lam da ki rang ba shnang. Minta ka bu jing tho ya ki khanatang balaong da ka ktin ki jing thung dawai ken ban bat ki khana pateng ka ba pene pensa ya ka pateng khasi kuntup ya ki jing tho khana shapang unong yele lalut usngap sings im ubalai le persha ya ka jing sen shar phareng bat ulai yap harai pa ha ka bakut jong snam ar hajang ar phulai la pen kan ria no ya uthaba shaka wei pat ka kam ka khlip mat ka bala wan rai ka jing sop si thang ya ki nong shong shnong bat ki samla puli ki bala nang e ya u henry ka jing dei jong u bat pa ka dang scam u dang le jngo man ka por u khat ya ka yeng ka baar jong u bat u dang yai kershan ki project ki ba ulai rap pan stang ka e ka bala stang kum ka jinyo I jingai ka ba ngap char jong uwei unoi kai kala kala long ka mission bayatli ban pen kon ban san ban thrang bat ban pen ur long lang.
Welcome to Raibah Government LP School. This school is 85 kilometers away from Shillong. It is at the foothills of Mawson Ram. And as you can see, this school is right from 1950, and this year we will be celebrating 75 years. And it was in a very bad condition when I reached here in 2021. As you can see now, it has been renovated through the help of our friend who have initiated a crowdfunding where many people have donated, uh, multiple peoples whom we don't even know. So here you can see the transformation of the school is also the surrounding where you can see these flowers, these hedges here, where the students and parents took part in making the school as beautiful as it is right now.
Tinga ba nga ting digitlen karbanyang tinga shong sang ni sno Raibah hi tingi ai ga jing kren ko thapi ban persai ning ba ka jing wan ni sar na du basrang te school kumba pile tip te I aru ngala ban ong la bana ba ka school jing min suwa ban mata kalau no ka school jing min suwa kam dalong re kumya kalong kumta kumba piru pi tip trai ba kalong kum semblang semasi untuk Rena du bawan ni sar baskem lapan kala kumne tengi dap ka jisu men sikade ya bat ki lapan long ro ingi kinu susna bangin iet ya I bat kum ju ro bang go I ro ka kor ke buram ke ba ka jingle ma I alam sa tiba ba bat kala ki kena skul kumen swangi dan tang kanong arko arkusan ngur du kena skul mental kamaroi ni la poi saka ndru ko cross sanang te umdere tang ya keneka LP hang ya kayu pir kumju nadu bay wan ni sar em kila la ban pensuktu haki kimiki kwa ki parents ni na bat sati sa ka school sa room ro ka long ka wei ka ba ka iyo ka buram nadu bay wan ni sar amar ila pasat lang ka yang turo ila tiu lang ka school tang hang hang tai ro tang ba kidei hi hapo snong Raibah hi kita ro tingi so ba ni ai ka buram ka ba sikadai e ka ni isa
dengan ngadewu trasnong ba song ne kumbai tre lang ya kanega school kat barisa
My name is Baroh Donalalu, and we're from St. Women's College. We're being placed here for our fieldwork for our 5th and 6th semester in Raibah village, which is on the way to Ranka. We're being placed here in Raibah village to experience rural living and how we can help, how we can get involved in the community in ways that we can help them.
Nga kerteng I ketulen snai tang bat nga de nong song ni ha po sno Raibah bat hakaju kopor nga tre kum I akan madi hani ha po sno
Kumrasala kali boleh fi man skul menen ngi hablaj lom kalau ada ke kan ki bahaya nga ki pa ke kun ta ki kena ro datang I sabas kan ting te ki hapan ya tang sudah terteng kum ki pa ro mesua kum dapat sesuatu kum no ban pale skul ki kun kidang lawan pale lom pa ap kun sehing lek belai la dia nanti bawa sabas kem kita sesuatu nah kita ya bet ya kikun mah kita sekolah ambil mantap sekolah
na tôi cái chắc cả và song song này nó có kiểu người song hà nó tụi mình cái hàng này sát đi ra không sát thân thì và cái khót cả nên Raibah mới lấy vào khót Raibah nó và buôn phá đầu three và hết đấy cái này thì nó cầm phá mình sẽ đi thành sỉa này cái sna chính kieng này vào bạn mà dài tụi thì khót Raibah thì là đủ ra thì có thì khót cái snow Raibah
Mentau orang don ni tu Raibah ni.
Uduan ni sama long lah duna ni kuma kita kuat kan.
Pia peron kam iu ni pia peron kam su.
Peron kam.
Ki jing peron kam su pia ta.
Bathan kun kini ki tiar. Tip tiar.
Hai.
Tip tiar nata ki slia ki kriya kini kuno kini ki kho ki jing than Baroh ki bapa ho yo no three than kam ban than na ban tek ban khum Baroh mak thì đây ban tek ban khum theo don Mukhim ren yang ripin nama ripin.
What is the unique thing that you've seen in the school? What is the vibe of this school? What is the difference that you've seen comparing this government LP school to other LP schools in other parts of the state?
One of the most unique things that I've seen in comparison in this school and other government schools is that, like, when you come to this school, it's more it gives that homely vibe and it's kind of like open. It opens its arms towards us, and as you can see in here, like the garden also, it's very colorful and there's so many plants, and as you can see the fencing also, it's not very costly to make it. It was made with the help of the villagers, with the community help and all in this gate, and most of these plants also have been planted by the help with the students and community people only.
So as part of our fieldwork, one of our activities that we've done here, first of all we assessed the village, and we found out that one of the interesting aspects of this village is that it's very rich in its oral history, as this village was there was once a king who originated from this village. So we felt as though it is very important for the kids especially to learn about that, because as we know, it's not available in history books because it's indigenous, it's their traditional knowledge, it's something that stems from their own village, and it's not available in storybooks. So what we have done as a team is that we have taken the kids to one of the stakeholders of the community. She actually does not stay in this particular village. She stays in the nearby village. So we've taken the kids to hear directly from the matriarch of the royal family. So it was a very interesting experience for us and for the kids. It was definitely a challenge because it's very hot in this village, as you can see from our faces. But it was a challenge, but it felt very rewarding as the kids got to interact with the matriarch. They got to ask questions, as we feel that it's no longer the case for us in you can say in Shillong, that we never get to interact with such people. We only read them in storybooks. So what we did through our initiative is encouraging the children, especially encouraging the children to be oral about what they feel, and we have given them some sort of a platform to interact with the stakeholder and for them to voice out their opinions.
Lihat hakapor ba piwan school menshua, but hadian dala one school dala join iser kai gijing pair chongane ka school ba pi.
Kajing pair ba hang dem dan re kumne par ba patwan isa kadang long ka ba riam irang no re kumne kadang ba jengut hang ne dan re kumne dan tak isla ka ba wan isa tela dan kine bara kadang la a ta
Pi kam iju menshua na kam iju ba mantan.
cinta
Pi sotonat ban one school hani ka pi snap ka ega pi sotonat ban pi smo tanat ha tu ko por ba dang long klaum tu ne pi smo tanat ban da ga lai tanat ko long ne na.
kumne setanat balang kumne.
So as you can see, what's different about Raibah LP School is that this whole thing is built by the community people themselves. It is the parents of these students right here. They came here, as you can see, it's not a very expensive looking fence, but it is made with love, I feel. And it's what it is the parents of the students themselves. They contributed their time, they spend their time here to build this fence, and as well as the gate. This is not a very normal looking gate as you can see in other schools, but it is a very simple yet a very homely gate. And these plants that were planted, all of these plants planted here, they are from the village itself. As you can see, they are not brought in from elsewhere, but they are from the village itself. So this school is very self-sustaining in a way, where the people themselves, they come together and they help to maintain the school and its beauty, not just from the outside, but with the hopes of their children learning in the inside as well.
What is the vibe that you get as you enter the school, or so you've seen from just outside of the school?
When we first came here, we did not know this was a school, because I honestly, even me, I've never seen a school that looks this pretty. I'm into plants and flowers, so the moment I came here, I was just mesmerized with the whole surrounding, and you can see the children themselves, they helped plant all of this. It's not the adults, but the children. So that is what is very beautiful and unique about this particular school, I feel.